Sadvrutta, an essential concept in Ayurveda. Sadvrutta refers to ethical, moral, and behavioral guidelines that promotes harmony within oneself and with society. It is beautifully elaborated by two legendary Ayurvedic scholars, Acharya Charak and Acharya Vagbhat. While Acharya Charak provides a philosophical and ethical foundation, Acharya Vagbhat integrates this principle into daily and seasonal routines. Let's dive deeper into their perspectives. Sadvrutta, according to Acharya Charaka. Acharya Charak, in his text Charak Samhita, Sutrasthan, chapter 8, defines Sadvrutta as moral framework for overall well-being, encompassing physical, mental, and social health. Here are the keys principles he highlights. First is ahimsa, which is non-violence. Avoid harming others not just physically but also emotionally and mentally. Practicing kindness reduces anger and guilt, promoting mental tranquility. Second is satya, which is truthfulness. Speak the truth in a way that doesn't hurt others. Truthfulness builds trust, harmony, and peace of mind. Third is non stealing. Respect what belongs to others, whether it's material possession or ideas. This cultivates fairness and prevents social conflicts. Fourth is brahmacharya. Practice moderation, especially in behaviors, to conserve physical and mental energy. Fifth is daya, which means compassion. Show kindness and empathy towards all living beings. Compassion fosters emotional stability and strengthens relationship. Sixth is shama, which means forgiveness. Let go of grudges and resentment. Forgiveness frees the mind from negativity, promoting inner peace. Seventh is Soch, which means cleanliness. Maintain both external hygiene and mental purity. Cleanliness prevents disease and nurtures mental clarity. Eighth is Dhriti, which means patience. Stay calm and composed in challenging situations. Patience helps maintain emotional balance and reduces stress. Ninth is Maitri, which means friendliness. Build positive, harmonious relationship with everyone around you. Charaka believed that by practicing this principle, one could lead a life free of disease, both mental and physical. Sadvrutta, according to Acharya Vagbhat. Acharya Vagbhat in Ashtang Hriday provides a more practical approach integrating Sadvrutta into daily and seasonal routines for maintaining dosha's balance. His focus is on actionable steps. First is Dincharya, which means daily routine. Wake up early during Brahma Muhurta to align with the nature. Follow daily practices like brushing teeth, cleaning the tongue, bathing, oil massage, abhyanga, exercising, and meditating. Eat proper meals at regular times and avoid overeating. Practice mindfulness to ensure mental calmness. The second is Ritucharya, seasonal routines. Adapt your diet and lifestyle to the season to maintain dosha balance. For instance, consume cooling foods during summer and warm foods during winter. Adjust activities like physical exertion and rest based on the season to prevent seasonal disorders. Third is moderation. Avoid extremes in food, behavior, and indulgence. Moderation prevents dosha imbalance and promotes health. Fourth is control over desires. Restrain sensory pleasures, such as overeating or indulging in excessive entertainment, to maintain mental and physical harmony. Fifth is respect for elders and teachers. Showing respect fosters humility and discipline, which contributes to mental peace. Sixth is emotional control. Avoid excessive anger, greed, jealousy, or hatred, as this emotion can disturb both mind and body. Categorization of Sadvrutta. Sadvrutta is not limited to personal well-being. It extends to different aspects of life, ensuring harmony in various settings. First, we'll talk about workplace ethics. Practice non-violence in interactions and maintain honesty in work. Avoid misuse of office resources, and foster positive relationship with colleagues. Second is educational institutes. Show respect to teachers and maintain focus on studies. Avoid distractions like excessive gadget use and build cooperative relationship with peers. Third is family life. Cultivate compassion, forgiveness, and harmony within the family. Resolve conflicts peacefully and maintain a clean, hygienic home environment. Fourth is community life. Promote kindness, truthfulness, and empathy in social interactions. Contribute to public cleanliness and foster unity. Fifth is spiritual settings. Approach rituals with self discipline and forgiveness and cleanliness. Practice compassion as an expression of spirituality. Sixth is travel ethics. Be courteous, patient, and mindful of cleanliness while traveling. Cooperate with fellow travelers to create a positive experience for all. In conclusion, Acharya Charaka Sadhrut emphasizes philosophical and moral principles, while Acharya Vagbhat provides a structured approach to integrity this principle into daily life. Together, they offer a holistic framework for maintaining balance in body, mind, and social relationship. By adopting Sadvrutta, we can cultivate a life of health, harmony, and fulfillment. Thank you.